Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, memory module, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, trunks, thermal module, motherboard, and speakers. Removal. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open the display panel hinges. While supporting the top cover, remove the 6 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left and right display panel hinges to the top cover. Slide the top cover off of the display panel hinges and remove. It may be necessary to open the hinges further. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.